Amazon Handmade is a platform that allows artisans and makers to showcase and sell their unique, one-of-a-kind products directly to customers around the world. With a focus on quality craftsmanship and authenticity, Amazon Handmade provides a curated marketplace for handmade items in categories such as jewelry, home decor, clothing, and accessories. This service empowers small businesses and independent creators to reach a global audience while maintaining the personal touch and attention to detail that comes with handmade goods. To create a store on Amazon Handmade, follow these simple steps. 1. Sign up for an Amazon account or log into your existing one. 2. Go to the Amazon Handmade website and click the Sell on Amazon Handmade button. 3. Fill out the registration form with your personal and business information. 4. Once you're approved, create your store by selecting a unique name and adding a profile picture and banner. 5. Add your products by taking high-quality photos, writing detailed descriptions, and setting prices. 6. Choose the appropriate categories for your items and add keywords to help customers find them. 7. Set up shipping options and pricing, including international shipping if desired. 8. Customize your storefront with branding elements like logos and colors. 9. Promote your store through social media, email marketing, and other channels to attract customers. 10. Provide excellent customer service by responding promptly to inquiries and resolving any issues quickly and professionally. To succeed on Amazon Handmade, here are some tips. 1. Create high-quality products. Your products should be unique, well-made, and meet the standards of your niche. Use high-quality materials and pay attention to the details. 2. Optimize your listings. Use clear and descriptive product titles, bullet points, and descriptions. Include keywords that potential customers might search for. Use high-quality images that showcase your products from different angles. 3. Set competitive prices. Research the prices of similar products in your niche and set your prices accordingly. Consider the cost of materials, time, and shipping when setting your prices. 4. Provide excellent customer service. Respond promptly to customer inquiries and address any issues quickly and professionally. Provide excellent packaging and shipping to ensure customer satisfaction. 5. Build a brand. Create a consistent brand identity across your listings, website, and social media channels. Use a logo, brand colors, and a unique selling proposition to stand out from the competition. 6. Promote your products. Use social media, email marketing, and other marketing channels to promote your products and build a following. Collaborate with other handmade sellers to cross-promote each other's products.